Hello everyone. In this presentation, I like to present our paper that has been accepted in WSCV 2024 with the title Attention Guided Prototype Mixing, Diversifying Minority Contexts on Imbalanced Wall Slide Image Classification Learning. Before I start to explain the detail of proposed method, let me introduce the background of wall slide image. The wall slide image it represents in the gigapixel resolution, non-uniform size, and also like pixel level annotation. These images are used to predict the cancer subtype, metastasis detection, survival prediction, and etc. Based on this, multiple instant learning is the exact solution for weakly supervised learning. In MIL, the big image is divided into small of patches, and the second one, we transform the bag of patches into bag of instance using the existing feature extractor like a ResNet, EfficientNet, and so forth. And the second one, we aggregate the bag of instance using pooling operator like a max or min pooling. The last one, we use the bag level classifier to predict the slide level label. However, the pathologists extensively consider multiple region and position of histopathology tissue when making a diagnosis. Recent existing MIL studies ignore the position of relationship between pages image. For this kind of problem, Tassomer has been used to utilizing self-attention mechanism to capture positional relationship between pair of sequence pages. Shaw et al. In the New Rips 2021, they proposed the transmill combined transformer and mill, which explore morphological and positional relationship between patches. Zhang et al. In TMI 2022 proposed the GTP graph transformer, which fused a graph-based representation of an WSI and transformer for processing wall slide image. However, we realize that there is a gap and challenge in classifying WSI. In this paper, we produce the same challenge in whole slide image classification learning. The first one, real histopathology tissue, often difficult to collect and share, particularly for rare disease, make WSI distributions become imbalanced. Some class maybe have a large number of samples, while the others have a lack of samples. When the existing mill learning are trained on imbalanced classes, it can be biased to a majority class and poor in recognizing a minority class. We can see the right image is the visualization of the common disease and rare disease. However, we cannot directly oversampling and enrich the minority context based on existing SOTA method. It is because the WSI has a unique characteristic. The first one, caused by tissue placement, make the WSI have varying aspect ratio and size. The second one, the disease positive or tumor instance within WSI only occupy small area randomly distributed. Based on this characteristic and the problem, we produce the two main contributions. The first one, we introduce a novel attention guided to diversify minority context in imbalanced wall slide image classification learning. We remark that our purpose selectively focus on the most attentive patches or instance for context mixing, unlike the existing SOTA methods for oversampling, such as balance mixup that has been published in MICAI 2021 and also CMO in CVPR 2022, which randomly mix context of minority samples and ignore the consideration of this characteristic. And the second one, because of we use the transformer-based mill for our recognizing WSI, transformer-based mill is difficult to handle thousands of patches with a varying number. That's why we introduce the prototype instance derived from a wake factor of a neural network. This motivated by the goal of having bag of instance with smaller representation and preserving a uniform aspect size. Based on this, we combine two benefits from transformer-based mill and also mixing the context for diversifying the minority context in imbalance or the minority sample of post-light image. In the experiment setting, we utilize two datasets for represent our purpose method. The first one, we use the public dataset Semelian 16. We create two imbalance sets, medium imbalance and also high imbalance. The second one, we have Histokishi as the our in-house dataset, contain only 28 tumor slides. It's allocated for training 17 and 6 for testing set. And for the setting experiment, we utilize the ResNet 18 as the feature extractor with the batch size 512, and we define the number of epoch is around 200. Learning rate and also weight decay is around 2 a min 4 and 1 a min 5. For the evaluation matrix, we report three kind of metrics for our paper. The first one, balance accuracy. The second one is AUC, and the third one is a PRAUC. We conduct the comparisons of our proposed method with the existing SOTA method, like oversampling, random oversampling, balance mix-up, and also CMO. In this experiment, our proposed method outperformed with the prior methods. Ross simply duplicate the minority slide image without the diversifying the context. Balance up and also CMO ignore the consideration of specific feature for diversifying the context. Our purpose justify the importance of considering the most attentive instance for mixing, which could improve the performance. It addressed the characteristic of WSI where the disease positive only occupy small area and randomly distributed. For the second experiment, we also conduct the comparison for exact number of prototype instance. This result indicate the significant impact of the verifying prototype instance to preserve the intrinsic feature of gigapixel WSI while being applicable for the transformer based mill framework. Can see that the Transmill and also GTP achieve the accuracy only 87% and also 89% with the high flops. Our purpose prove efficient flops while maintaining the excellent performance. And the last experiment, we also investigated our choice framework with the existing mill framework like ABMILE and also DSMILE. ABMILE assigned the wake factor for identifying the contributing instance, while DSMILE presented it by measuring distance between the critical instance and also remaining ones. However, we argue that these methods ignore the position relationship between the instance. So we investigate in our experiment, Transmill and also GTP could improve the performance by capturing the positional relationship between pair of sequence instance. Based on this, we have the some limitation of our work. The first one, the process of selecting attentive instance are based on the attention guided, which means this mixing framework depend on classifier construction. If the classifier model fail to achieve convergence in classifying specific dataset, the mixing framework might not perform well. However, we conclude from this experiment that this work introduced the attention guided prototype mixing for diversifying minority contexts on imbalanced WSI classification learning. The second one, we utilize the self-attention mechanism to identify most attentive instance during the training process and then perform it for mixing to diversify minority contexts. Our purpose demonstrated effectiveness compared to SOTA oversampling method. This work was supported by National Science and Technology Council Taiwan, ROC, under Grant NSTC, and also MOS. We also thank for the TWCC for providing computational and storage resources. Thank you for watching.